Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you a 1-minute scalping strategy using HEIKEN ASHI exit. Okay, so first you need 200 EMA, and then you need parabolic SAR. Okay, here's the setting, 0.06, and then you need HEIKEN ASHI exit. Okay, so I use default setting as well. All right. So all the links of the indicator is down below. So for sell, you want the price to be below 200 EMA, and you want the HEIKEN ASHI exit to be red, and then you wait for the sell signal from parabolic SAR. Okay, so we have here, okay, red and below 200 EMA. So your stop loss is the last swing high or the some logical support and resistance area. So it's very up to you where you want to put. So you can put here or here, wherever. So let's say I put here. So around 14. So you sell. Okay. So basically you exit when the HEIKEN ASHI exit change color to green. Okay, sorry. Change to green. Okay, here. So we exit here. All right. Okay. Okay. Another thing is we only sell the first time the parabolic SAR has a sell signal when the HEIKEN ASHI becomes red. Okay, so we don't take here, we don't sell here, and we don't sell here. Okay, we only sell the first time that this happens. So basically, we wait for the HEIKEN ASHI exit to change color again in order to reset. All right, so we don't take here or here. Okay, so for buy is the opposite. Okay, so you wait for the HEIKEN ASHI exit to be green, and then you wait for a buy signal. So when this HEIKEN ASHI becomes green, so this is the first time that the parabolic SAR has a buy signal, and it's above the 200 EMA. So we can buy this. Yeah, so you can put stop here or here, wherever you want. So let's say here. I'm sorry, buy here. Okay, so it becomes red. So we exit, and that's it. Okay, so here's another sell example. So the HEIKEN ASHI becomes red. So this is the first time the parabolic SAR has a sell signal, and the price is below 200 EMA. So you can sell here. Maybe put stop around here. So put 5. Okay. Okay, so becomes green. So we exit. All right. So obviously I cherry pick, the example. I only pick the one that works. Okay, so make sure you do your own back test, and you don't actually take every signal. You have to use your own discretion as well. Okay, don't follow the indicators blindly. You have to use your own common sense and judgment. All right.